What is going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. Yes, I am back with another Samsung accessory for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, and this is when you don't want it to be in the case, and most likely this will be at home, or in an open setting. This is the simple docking charging dock POGO station with wall charger for the Galaxy Tab S4. And so what I mean by that is literally, yes, you don't want it always hanging out in the case because you're trying to protect it, because Samsung, of course, with this case, opted for glass. And maybe this works with the Tab S5e as well, but you don't want it always hanging in the case. You want it out and about, maybe at home. Maybe you want to use it as a hub for your music playing in the house, a photo frame. You just want it on, use it as a daily board that is active when it's charging, which it will be doing via this dock. You don't have to have it in the case anymore. You can just put it right in here, dock it in this POGO station, and get exactly what you need out of it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this sucker. Before we do, Samsung Charging Dock POGO, simple docking, auto daily board. In here, you do get the charging dock, a wall charger, the USB cable, and a quick start guide. Bang bang. Use only with compatible Samsung mobile devices. And the only two that continue to be listed with this is the Tab S4 and the Galaxy A 10.1 inch. So considering that the Tab S4 and the S5e are similar in size, I would imagine it's S5e as well. But of course, you can always contact Samsung to make sure. And of course, there's always something holding this barely together, and it's a simple piece of tape. Come on. Alrighty. Hopefully that was enough. As you guys see, I am shaky here. Don't ask me why. That should be enough. Let's finally get into this. Hey. Alright. So, alright, it's doesn't take up much space. It's got some heft to it. It feels good in the hands. I like the heft. It's it's not going nowhere by no means. So I imagine it would sit like this. Bow, just like that. So it kind of leans up to kind of give your tablet that elevated view. So if it's sitting in, it's gonna be sitting, like that. But don't worry, we'll put it in a second. Let's see all that you get. Get the wall charger for it, of course, and you get the cable for it. Boy, I need cable. Woo! I need a cable solution for where I'm about to put this at, and let me tell you that right now. And then, of course, if you take more out the box here, you get the little quick starting guide here. Nothing else. Toss it. Put this back. We are good to go. Wow. So we got that. Let's put that right there for now. So now if we remove our tablet from this beautiful, beautiful keyboard here. Oh, it does not have any magnetic auto opening when you open it from the tablet. So that's something I just realized. So popping this out here. If it comes out here. Come on. Ow! So if you guys want to know how solid this case is in holding your tablet, it's very solid. So again, taking the POGO station, you just sit it right in there. Of course, I mean, I'm sure it aligns itself. But that's exactly how it's going to be, just like that. So boom, just like that. So no issues. So what I'm going to do is take this back out of here for now and actually apply some power to it by hooking this up and then plugging it in here via this little source in there, which looks to be USB Type-C. So what I love is Samsung most definitely committed to USB Type-C. And this little piece of tape right here that should just peel off with no issues. Bow. Oh, there's tape all along the bottom. Look at that. Boom, tape free. Now, let's go ahead and set this up. Wait for it. As you see how it sits up, it sits more or less upright, and it automatically starts your daily board. And so, as you see here, it's going because it's charging from here. If I can change the brightness, of course. Let's go back to like 50 or so. And as you see, just like that, it docks, no issues. Swipe from up here. If I still wanted to use it for other stuff, of course, I can do that. I think I could swipe up from here. And there we go. And then you have it back out here, but most likely you're going to use this for your daily board or pictures that you have. I think you can set pictures in here for your daily board as well. But as you guys can see, this is the Charging Pogo Dock 4, the Galaxy Tab S4. Hope you guys appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It looks pretty sharp. It looks good. It hides whatever you got going on behind it, in which case it's just a cable, of course. It looks good. Looks nice. Good job, Samsung. But that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Your boy Versatile is signing out. And until the next video, wait for it.